this morning feeling inspired to make a video. I just know that I'm in the midst of summer right now and the clock's ticking. In the fall time I start school and I just don't want to waste this day. Step 1, take a shower. Step 2, teeth, shave, hair. See, the perfect summer day involves food, friends, drinks, and of course, the beach. Today I'm going to attempt to do all those things. I mean, not attempt, it's not that difficult, but I don't usually do it. Step 2, complete. Now step 3 is to meet up with friends. What up, yo? Ready to go?
I am. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga show me.
Alright, step 4. Stopping to get Starbucks. We did it. We also got snacks. We got sushi. A wrap. What kind of wrap is this? Pepper dry? Roast beef. Pasta. The opposite. Anti.
Yeah. Why do they call it anti-pasta?
Because it has everything but the pasta.
Oh, wow.
That's my assumption. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. But like, why would you take out the most important part?
I don't know.
Of a dish?
Some people just like to see the world burn.
Okay.
Step 5 is a cool scenic view of the road that we're about to take. I hope. We'll see. If we don't die first. We could die.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Take it in, Jacqueline.
Smells good.
So, this is take 2 because Jackie wasn't recording any of it. There's good stuff. I high-fived the bicyclist. Almost got hit by a car. Gave a good intro to step 6, talking about how we're going to Point Doom, which is not a scary place.
You were talking like a rapper.
Yeah, so good thing you got erased because that would have been awkward.
Yeah.
Well, we just had to park really, really far because it's illegal to park really, really close unless you're one of like 7 people. We found a spot.
Oh,
that was really close. But we made it. Step 7. Enjoy said secret place, not so secret place. With Jack in the back.
Hi.
That was not intended. I really, really hope the contents in my bag aren't wet. This is not good. I think we should go back.
But you can live pretty well by yourself. I tell you, instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself.
Alright, so we have made it here. At point 2, we did it, but all my stuff is wet. And the tide's getting deep, so we're gonna head back. That was step 7. 7? 7.
What's step 8?
We'll see. Step 8 of a perfect summer day complete. With a wooden spoon. Eco-friendly, they say. Sorry, a quick pause. I didn't really give an intro onto what was going to happen next. Step 9 is beer, and then step 10 is having a barbecue with friends. I just recorded it, I just didn't give an introduction. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew what was going to happen next. I got a haircut, by the way. Obviously, I think you can tell. Sorry, back to the video. As they say. Ready for it?
Yes.
What step is this?
Step 9.
Alright.
Beer. Wait, can we get the bigger one?
Yes.
But Bud Light now?
Yeah, dude, Bud Light's chill.
That kind of sucks.
No, Bud Light Lime. It's Bud Light Lime.
It's not even like 4%.
Wait, what's up, dude? Just have 2 of them. That's 8. Alright, let's go. Alright, that was step 9. Step 9. Only one last step after this.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of a perfect day. With, what did we call it? Step 10?
I'm not putting this in the video.
Step 10.
So that's it. I'm so tired. That is the 10 steps on having the perfect summer day. I mean, I guess it kind of left out one step. Falling asleep. Step 11. Anyways, thanks for coming on this journey with me. I'm going to bed. Bye.
Being game night with friends and family that we love dearly.
Oh,
And-
Lord.
Oh
Oh my god. I'm not drunk enough to be funny.